What's up, y'all? Kuya RJ here. And about 3 months ago, I moved to the Philippines. And one of the things I miss most about California is pizza. So this week, I'm on a mission to find Pampanga's best slice of pizza. Let's go. Oh, Ren wants some too. I'll travel all of Pampanga in search of the best Filipino pie known to humankind. Or just Pampanga. I'll visit as many pizza restaurants as I can over the next 7 days, and I'll judge the pizza on 4 different criteria: crust, sauce, fresh ingredients, experience, all over a 0 to 5 scale. So, I found a spot for today to start off our search for Pampanga's best slice of pizza. We're going to Didi's. The pizza gods are not on my side today. My mother-in-law made sinigang, and boy am I tempted. Yup. We are gonna head to Didi's Pizza here in Mabalacat. But there are some hurdles. First, we have to make sure not to step on this poop. And then we have to cross busy ass MacArthur Highway. We have to cross this street. And then we're gonna hop on a jeepney and head to Didi's Pizza. Let's go. Hopefully I don't die. Oh my gosh. I don't want to die. Put your hand down. Okay, thank you.
Here, where's that?
Oh, we did it.
This one.
This one? All right, we found our jeepney. This one. Hi po. Didi's Pizza. Is that enough? Thank you. Alright, we're headed to Didi's Pizza. Oh, it's your friend. Dude, that looks like my uncle. Anyways, we're headed to Didi's Pizza. We're gonna grab some other passengers on the way. I'm gonna go sit next to oh man. Oy! Just in case you're wondering, this is Mama Leia. She's been a huge help helping me taking care of a newborn baby. Mama Leia, everybody. We're picking up some passengers along the way. How much did it cost? It cost, for both of us, I gave him 50 pesos.
You give that 25 pesos.
I gave everything, so yeah. 25 pesos for me and Mama Leia. That's 50 cents.
Yeah.
US. Not too bad for, it's like what, a 2-mile drive? Not too bad, not too bad. So you're supposed to say para po once you stop the bus?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry, are you shy? My bad, dude, sorry. So to stop the jeepney, you have to say para. Okay.
Bayad.
And then you have to say bayad to pay. Okay. Para po. Thanks, Kuya. I appreciate you. Let's go. Oh shit. Let's go get some pizza. Didi's Pizza. We made it through the rain, through the travel, and through the parapo. Bruh. If that makes any sense at all. What's your most popular pizza here?
Combination, sir. Why me?
For the Combination?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. We ordered their most popular pizza, the combination, and I'm gonna judge the pizza on its crust, on its sauce, on its fresh ingredients, and overall experience and customer service. Let's see how it goes. I'm here with Jayanne. Jayanne? Hi, Jayanne. I have a question. What year did Didi's Pizza open?
What year? 1972.
Oh, she knew. Good job. And where was its first location?
No. Balibago. Balibago.
Oh, in Balawago? Okay. And what is your favorite pizza here in Didi's?
Combination.
Okay, thank you.
The pizza burger.
What?
Pizza burger and then tacos.
Pizza burger and tacos. So they got Mexican food here. All right, cool. Thank you.
Hard. Here. Hey, there's
Combination pizza from Didi's is here. So we have some mushrooms, pepperoni or ham, bell peppers, cheese, and sausage. All right, and it's a square pizza. I'm gonna start with the corner. Okay, it's a really crispy crust. So once again, we're gonna judge on the sauce, the crust, the freshness of the ingredients, and the overall experience and customer service. Here we go. First bite. First bite. I'm not gonna lie. It's really good. It's not comparable to any type of pizza I've ever had in California, but I like it. The crust is super crispy. What kind of cheese is this? Is it like what kind of cheese is it? It's like the Eden cheese. Yeah, it's like an Eden cheese. So it's like a vegetable oil cheese, but you know, it's okay. And then the ham is, or the ham / pepperoni. It's really good. So for sure, the bell peppers are really fresh and cut to order. The mushrooms are canned, unfortunately. But the sauce is pretty good. I don't know if it's like a traditional Italian red sauce, but I like it. Overall, I'm going to give this pizza a 3 out of 5. Yeah. So the pizza is good. The customer service was great. My only knock on this pizza is I wish the mushrooms were fresh. I wish there was actually like real cheese on it. I mean, I like this Eden cheese, but not for a pizza. 3 out of 5. All right, everybody. So we are done with our first pizza place for this series, and I'm pretty happy. I'm not gonna lie. That pizza was good. Once again, it's not anything I can find in California, but we're in the Philippines. You know, we shouldn't compare. Well, I am going to compare that pizza to pizza because we're trying to find the best pizza in Pampanga, diba?
Yes.
But first, we got to cross the fucking street again. Dude, look at this street. I got to fucking cross this street just to get a jeepney. God damn it. All right, let's go. I'm going to use Atalea as a human shield so I don't die. Oh my God. I don't want to die. Oh shit. Oh my God. I don't want to die, dude. We did it! I didn't die! Alright, we gotta find the Jeep, y'all. This one?
St. Newton, no?
Okay. St. Newton? Talea, we did it. We did our very first pizza place in search of Pampanga's best
Did it.
pizza. Shout out to Didi's Pizza, man. That was a good slice of pizza. If you haven't subscribed to Kuya RJ, please do so. Subscribe to
Kuya RJ.
watch out, poo poo. And we're back. Guys, I couldn't resist. I couldn't resist the sinigang. I have to do it.